Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Apple Pay is fully set up on your iPhone or iPad. Add a card and wallet and verify it. Once done, open Patreon in Safari, not the app, because Apple Pay checkout only works in browser for Patreon. Make sure you're signed into your Patreon account and on the creator's membership page. This lets Safari surface Apple Pay as a payment option when Patreon's payment form appears. You select the tier you want and click Join. Safari will show a payment sheet with Apple Pay if available. Then choose Apple Pay as the method. Safari pulls billing and shipping details from Wallet, so you avoid typing. Next, review the total, including taxes or fees, and authorize the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Because Apple Pay tokenizes your card, Patreon receives a secure token instead of raw card data, which protects your details. You finish when Patreon shows a success page and you get an email receipt. Check your account's membership tab to confirm the recurring charge. If Apple Pay doesn't appear, make sure Safari is allowed to use Apple Pay in settings, clear cookies, or try private browsing and reload the page. Sometimes stored payment info blocks the sheet. If a payment is declined, verify the card's limit, 3D secure prompts, or call your bank, then retry in Safari once resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.